Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by securing the vehicle and cutting power to the electronics. This prevents airbag or sensor faults. First, remove the under tray bolts and pry out the plastic clips along both wheel wells to access screw heads. Next, use a 10 mm or 12 mm socket to loosen the top grille and bumper retainers. Work methodically from one side to the other so fasteners don't drop into the structure. Once done, you'll expose the visible bolts that hold the bumper face to the core. Now you remove the main fasteners and electrical connections. While one hand supports the bumper edge, loosen the bumper-to-frame bolts using the appropriate socket so the weight won't drop and cause damage. Next, reach behind the bumper and disconnect fog light plugs and sensor harnesses, depress retaining tabs, and slide out connectors. Make sure to release wiring from plastic clips so nothing tugs. Then carefully pry the bumper tabs outward. They release with steady pressure. Avoid sharp bends that could crack the cover. With all fasteners and plugs free, lift the bumper straight off and set it on a padded surface to prevent scratches. Inspect mounts, impact bar, and absorber for damage. Replace any cracked clips or broken tabs before reinstallation. When reinstalling, align tabs first, hand thread bolts, then torque to spec. Finally, reconnect the battery. If the bumper looks misaligned, make sure you freed every hidden bolt and routed sensor wiring correctly. Small retained clips or
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.